Now, Aronda was a very disciplined person. I talked about this the other day. And I want to thank the people who organized this remembrance. This is a very good culture. Because when you do this, first of all, you do justice to the people who sacrificed. When I appointed him as Minister of Internal Affairs, he tried to deal with the problem that has been destabilizing Uganda since independence. The problem of accurate identification of Ugandans, especially the voters.
I would like to thank the Commander-in-Chief, Minister of Defense, and the CDF for organizing this function of 3 days to honor our loved one. He worked tirelessly on the national ID, which by the time he died, was completed. Ladies and gentlemen, as a wife of the late Gen.Aronda, his children and his bigger family, we are sure that if it is service to the country, he gave it his all.
Therefore, the fact that Gen.Aronda is a product of this NRA and UPDF, a testimony to you and your greatness, is hereby accounted for.